Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to use prepositions of place and there, in, on, under, above, behind, in front of, in between, in, on, under, above, next to, behind, in front of, between.
Where's the bag?
The bag is in the box. The bag is in the box.
Where's the smartphone?
The smartphone is on the bedside table. The smartphone is on the bedside table.
Where are the keys?
The keys are under the bed. The keys are under the bed.
Where's the clock?
The clock is above the bookshelf. The clock is above the bookshelf.
Where's the basket?
The basket is next to the wardrobe. The basket is next to the wardrobe.
Where's the bear?
The bear is behind the tree. The bear is behind the tree.
Where's the ball?
The ball is in front of the box. The ball is in front of the box.
Where's the dog?
The dog is between the sofa and the shelf. The dog is between the sofa and the shelf.